Hmm? 63. You are appearing. Heard Mr. K.A. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. W. Sharma, learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 1. And all right, stop. Mr. So-and-so Majumdar, learned counsel for so-and-so, submits that the matter in the meantime has become infractious and accordingly makes an endorsement to the same effect. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by Mr. K. A. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, the matter is the petition criminal stands dismissed on being infractious. Because they have informed the police. Right, so use the word closed. Okay, disposed of. Item 51. You want it to be listed again along with a criminal petition. All right, your name? P. Rahman. Mr. P. Rahman, learned counsel for the applicant submits, seeks relisting of the present anticipatory bail application along with CRP number 1296 of 2024. Prayer allowed, list accordingly. List again on such and such date. When? When? All right. CD is available? Huh? I thought 57 is with this court. In fact, I have also read it. Where is that notice? Yes, 57 is there. And why are you making that submission? Just say that. Please give a copy of this notification to the APP, to both the APPs. As prayed for in item 57, Mr. A so-and-so learned counsel for the applicant lists this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Reminder for CD. Also write reminder for CD. Yes. Call the list. CD available? Sorry. Interim bail was given. Anything? Has the petitioner appeared?
Yes, my lord. He appeared. His statement recorded, my lord.
He has cooperated.
He has cooperated and he is the owner of the vehicle, my lord, where the kettles were loaded, my lord. Driver fled away.
But he is cooperating.
Let him
So
continue, my lord.
Custodial,
Yes.
perhaps not required. Please write. This is item number 31. 33. You are Mr.
R.L. Chutia.
Heard Mr. R.L. Chutia, learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. Also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned APP Assam. By way of this application, under section 438 of CRPC 1973, the petitioner is seeking pre-arrest bail to the petitioner, I. Ritumoni Hussain, in connection with Sonapur PS case number 109/2024, registered under sections 379/411 IPC, read with section 11(1) ABD of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 and read with Section 13(1) of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021. Now, you check the causes and where I have said in connection, there you mention who's apprehending arrest in connection. Okay, just add the word who's. Pertinent that by order dated 6/11/2024, the petitioner was granted interim bail pertinent by order dated 21/6/2024. The petitioner was granted interim bail subject to conditions. The CD called has been arrived. Mr. So-and-so, EPP submits that the petitioner, in terms of the interim order dated 21/6/2024, appeared before the investigating officer, and accordingly, his statement has been recorded by the investigating officer. Stop. Apparent that the petitioner is cooperating with the investigation. Stop. Situated thus, this court is of the considered view that custodial interrogation perhaps would not be justified for the ongoing investigation. Accordingly, the bail granted earlier by order dated so-and-so is hereby made absolute, subject to the following conditions 1, 2, 3, and with the above observation direction, the anticipatory bail application stands disposed of.
My lord,
One second.
my lord, in this case, my lord, charges have been submitted, my lord.
One second. Okay, these are the 3 conditions. So you may just take the capture and give back this to me right away. For this case. Sorry, charge sheet is submitted.
Charges submitted, my lord.
We are on interim bail, lordship to petition, lordship.
Can be disposed of.
My lord, let them, my lord, appear before a trial court, my lord, whenever they receive someone, my lord.
As per the interim bail, they must have, the petitioner has appeared, correct?
My lord, that information is not available with us because, my lord, case diary we have not received. We have only received the information, my lord, that the charge sheet has been submitted. my lord.
Then since charge sheet is submitted,
Interim offering.
I shall say that dispose it of with the direction that they shall appear before the
Before the
trial,
trial court,
as and when they.
No, as and when they receive someone, my lord.
Yes. Done. Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary?
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner also heard so-and-so learned APP. This is an application under section 438 CRPC for granting of anticipatory bail to the petitioner, i.e. MD Abbas Ali, who is apprehending arrest in connection with Hazo Police Station case number 154 of 2024, registered under section 365, 325, 354, 34 of IPC 1860, read with section 6 of POCSO Act 2012, arising out of FIR lodged by one Amjad Ali on 8/5/2024. Stop. Pertinent that this court by
24/6.
by order dated 26/2024 granted interim bail to the petitioner. Correct. The case diary has not come.
Not received because, my lord, charge is submitted. my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, APP submits that in the meantime, the charge sheet has been submitted by
By charge sheet number 191/2020.
CS number 1
91 oblique
91
2024,
oblique 2024,
dated 31/7/2024.
dated 31
7
7
2024.
2024. Got it? In view of the in view of the above, this court is of the considered opinion that this anticipatory bail application can be disposed of by making the interim bail granted by order dated so and so absolute, subject of course to the following conditions.
My lord, that absolute may not be mentioned, my lord.
Right.
Since the search sheet has been submitted, my lord, let him appear. If he will, interim bail will,
He will appear.
interim bail will continue, my lord, till his appearance, my lord.
On receipt of the summons.
All right, in the end, you say, considering the, what is the last line? With the direction that the petitioner shall appear before the trial court as and when
Summon received, my lord.
summons is received.
My lord.
It is further clarified that till then, the interim bail granted by order dated so and so shall remain in force.
My lord, my lord.
That is-
Yes, ma'am.
Stop. Thereafter, the trial court is at liberty to consider the prayer of bail in accordance with law,
My lord, much obliged,
disposed of.
much obliged.
And regarding the 35 years in order dated on 4/6.
Same case, my lord. Search sheet number is same.
35 also same,
Same case, my lord.
35 same, huh? Khali interim order date is
It's a 4/6/20.
4/6/2020. The everything rest remains same.
Earlier
Yes.
one single petitioner, your lordship,
That
three
you check,
petition.
that you check. 3 petitioners, put their name.
I do. That is 6.
CD
Case that is received, my lord.
420.
Whether interim order matter and on, I appeared before the matter, I was proved interrogated by 10 days, my lord.
That alone is not a ground to
No,
make
no,
it
no, no, no.
absolute. I'll have to hear the
Yes.
APP
No,
first.
interim was granted on my 26. my lord.
Yes, yes,
My
yes.
lord, we have received the case diary, my lord. What I have found in this case, my lord, some more investigation is required, my lord. And this accused petitioner, although he has appeared, my lord, pursuant to the interim protection of this honorable court, my lord, he was asked to appear again, my lord, to record his statement.
So
my
has he
lord.
gone or not?
My lord, he has not appeared. So, my lord,
I have appeared now 10 times.
no, my lord, he appeared, my lord.
10 times, 20
Ten,
times doesn't matter. As long as the investigating officer
But-
wants you, you have to appear.
When a necessary, I will appear.
Yes.
And I am appearing, my lord, I will appear.
No,
My,
but right
my
now,
humble submission, my lord, since he is on interim, my lord,
so
so
I'll post this matter after 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
And you have the up-to-date status.
Yes,
Let us
madam,
see he's
yes.
appearing or
Yes,
not.
my lord.
Call for up-to-date status, list after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Yes, sir. I don't practice, sir. Well, interim may be continued, but.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing. The Conica, that was very important. You missed it.
I say thank to him, my lord.
Yes, yes. 37,
37 case diary received, my lord.
received. PCA,
Come on, search it.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, very received.
petitioner not there.
Petitioners,
Petitioner is on interim.
no indemnities. No,
Okay.
no.
Well, at least next week on a date to be fixed by the registry, retain the case diary.
Obliged. 38, my lord, case diary not received.
Not received. None appears for the, in that earlier one also say none appears for the petitioner, huh? And in 38 also none appears for the petitioner. Call for reminder for case diary. After 2 weeks.
My lord,
Take that
third-
sentence, huh? Okay. 39.
My lord,
Petitioner
in
is
this
not-
case, my lord, no, my lord, let him appear.
None appears for the petitioner when call CD is there.
No, my lord, the report was called for, my lord.
List again next week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord.
40 case diary received,
Case diary not received, my lord.
not received.
My lord.
You're on interim.
No.
When? Next week? Friday?
My lord, item number 40, my lord, scan copy was called for. It's a search case, my lord.
Okay. Scan copy has come.
Yes, it's in
Have you
copious
seen?
form. Yes, my lord, I have perused, my lord.
Hmm,
My lord, in this case, my lord, the search sheet was submitted, my lord,
okay.
under section 420, 406, 366A, 376 DA. Then, my lord, 506 IPC, and accused was shown as absconder, my lord, in the search sheet. Now, my humble submission, my lord, as per my lord, section 376 DA is concerned, my lord. My lord, anticipatory bail is not applicable, my lord. It does not lie, my lord.
Informant also notice has to go.
Notice has to go, my lord, but since there is a bar, my lord, under section 438 CRPC, my lord. So this bail application is not maintainable, my lord.
Lordship, she is not a consenting party.
No,
Lordship.
that's
She
all
married
right,
wife.
but the allegation under
My lord, under 376 DA, my lord,
376D is there,
DA,
DA.
my lord. And as per
So under
438
that
CRPC.
430, it is not applicable. You take instruction.
Lordship, but in this case, she is the married wife. So,
That is all right, but if the
Item
if
41,
that
no.
section
40, my lord, she is a victim guard, my lord, she is aged about 16 years old, my lord.
right now you are talking about item 40.
Yes, my lord, 40.
You see, Mr. Counsel, an argument is made that it is barred under 376DA because that allegation is already there. So you have a look at it. Otherwise, you convert. You see what is to be done.
Lordship,
When Wednesday, Friday.
Immediate, my lord.
When do you want it?
Lordship, next week.
List again. Next week on a date to be fixed by the ministry.
Right.
I can 41.
Desperate for her. Case diary.
41, my lord, scan copy call for, my lord.
Have you seen?
Yes, my lord.
My lord, on the same date, same DD number, same time, 2 cases has been registered.
Against you.
My lord.
Against you.
No, my lord. Two different persons
Against the same allegation.
against the same allegation. And earlier I have applied before this honorable court.
Hmm. You are rejected. It was rejected.
No. A interim protection was given.
When?
I appeared before the IO, but IO did not take my statement.
No,
Then-
which order is your interim order? In
My
this
lord.
case or in another case?
My lord, in another case,
Where is that order?
my lord, kindly see at page 24. 28.
So after this, you did not appear
I appeared before the IO.
and
But
you did not record your
IO
statement.
did not take my statement.
And then charge sheet was submitted.
My lord, in this concerned case, my lord, that is my lord, Dhubri PS case number, my lord, 95. The concerned bail application is Dhubri PS case number 95 of 2023, my lord.
Hmm.
In this case, my lord, charge sheet has been submitted, my lord, showing all the three accused persons as an absconder, my lord.
90.
95, my lord. Dhubri PS case number 95 of 2023.
The other one is Dhubri PS case number 47 or
47.
23.
47, my lord. The 47, my lord, we do not have any instruction, my lord. I am only submitting as part of my
That
lord.
case is also listed today. No,
My lord, I have annexed the affair of that case.
no, but yes, your submission is.
My
No.
submission is, my lord, in this case, my lord, charge sheet has been submitted in connection with Dhubri PS case number 95 of 2023.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, the charge sheet submitted, my lord, under section 376, reduce section 9, 10, 11 of Prevention of Child Marriage Act, reduce section 4 and 17 of POCSO Act, my lord. Now, my lord,
So
They are
their
ap- they are
informant is
apprehending-
there.
someone has been issued to them, my lord. They are apprehending arrest, my lord. So my humble submission, my lord, since it is a case of POCSO, my lord. So let them appear before the trial court and trial court will pass necessary order on their appearance, my lord. Because someone has been issued, my lord.
Summons have been issued under
Someone issued, my lord, to appear for their appearance, my
by
lord,
the trial court.
by the trial court, my lord.
You appear before the trial court.
My lord,
Until then, I can give you protection. Once you appear before the trial court will take its own call.
My lord, kindly see at
Hmm?
page 24.
Hmm?
Page 24, that were for me. Here the
No, I'm not
case-
concerned with this. It appears POCSO
My
is
lord.
involved.
POCSO is involved, my lord.
No. And since the trial is on,
Trial court has issued someone, my lord.
you
My humble,
appear,
let him, because someone has been issued, my lord.
you appear and then we'll see. Any objection to that?
I objection, Lordship.
Huh?
I have objection, Lordship.
You have objection for him to appear in the trial court?
Yes, Lord. No.
Then,
In objection regarding the bail objection, Lordship.
no, I am saying that I'm going to dispose it off by directing them to appear
Lordship.
before the trial court. And then the trial court will consider
On this
the
minute.
prayer of bail in accordance with law.
Law, yes.
What objection can you have? Yes. Your name?
P.A. Ahmed.
Mr. P.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard so-and-so learned APP for the state, and your name?
SK Chetri.
So-and-so for Miss S.K. Chetri for respondent stroke informant or victim?
Informant.
Informant. By this application under section 482 of BNSS, petitioner is seeking granting of anticipatory bail in connection with Dhubri PS case number 95 of 2023, registered under section 376 IPC, read with section 9, 10, 11, 1 of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, read with section 4/17 POCSO Act. Stop. It appears that Mr. So-and-so learned APP submits that in charge sheet has been submitted in this case. By charge sheet number, please give all that details. Charge sheet number and the sections. By charge sheet number so-and-so under section so-and-so dated so-and-so.
My lord, in the charge sheet, I raised the record. In charge sheet, no recipient registered portion, no case number is
All right,
written,
you
no
say all that.
CNT
there.
number is written.
You give your objections in the trial court, whatever you have. You're not challenging the charge sheet before this court. In view of the submission of the charge sheet, this court is of the considered opinion that this anticipatory bail application can be no. Prior to that, you say, Mr. So-and-so further, APP further submits that summons have been also received, have been issued to the petitioner to appear before the trial court.
Trial court.
Stop. In view of the above, this court is of the considered view that this anticipatory bail application can be disposed of with a direction to the petitioner to appear before the trial court on the scheduled date before the trial
My
court.
lord.
Stop. It is needless to be clarified that in the event the petitioner appears on the next date of on the next scheduled date of the hearing of
Right.
the present trial, the trial court shall consider the case, consider the prayer for bail of the petitioner in accordance with law.
My lord.
Stop. Till then, he can be protected.
Yes.
My lord, not necessary, my lord.
Why?
It's a such that case, my lord, there are sufficient materials, my lord.
With the above observation and direction, the anticipatory bail application stands disposed of.
I am in interim.
You are on interim.
Yes,
You wish
I
to
have-
continue in interim.
appeared before I.
Let him cooperate, my lord, let him cooperate, because they organize some, my lord, lottery, my lord.
And
But-
you've received the case diary.
Yes, we have received the case diary, my lord.
And you have, and the petitioner has cooperated.
Yes, he has appeared,
appeared.
statement recorded, my
It's
lord.
been recorded.
So let him cooperate in the investigation, my lord.
This is item number 42.
Yes.
Your name?
Yeah,
Heard Mr. S. Hawk, learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. Also heard so-and-so APP state. By application under section 482 of BNSS 2023, petitioner is seeking grant of pre-arrest bail to the accused petitioner, i.e. Samsul Haq Molla, who is apprehending arrest in connection with Bagun Police Station case number 43/2024, registered under section 61(2)/318 within bracket 4, 3162, 3363/35 BNSS 2023, read with section 14 of the Assam Games and Betting Act. Pertinent that by order dated 28/2024, this court granted interim bail to the petitioner, subject to conditions. Stop. The case diary called for has been received. Stop. Mr. So-and-so APP submits that the petitioner pursuant to the aforesaid interim order dated 28/2024 has appeared before the investigating officer and has recorded, and his statement has been recorded under section 161.
That will be, my lord, in
Has
BNSS.
been recorded by the investigating officer.
My lord.
Stop. He further submits that case diary reveals that the petitioner is cooperating with the investigation. Stop. Situated thus, this court is of the considered view that custodial interrogation is not justified for the ongoing investigation. Stop. Accordingly, the interim order, accordingly, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject, of course, to the following conditions: 1, 2, 3, and disposed of. Here, 1, 2, 3, cooperation. 40 to one goal.
44.
It will be disposed on 42.
May please your lordship. My lord, here.
What about 43?
Here, my lord.
Essential commodities, Mr. Abdullah.
Yes, my lord, essential lordship notes available section 7. And my lord, page 15 is the Azahar. Case diary along with a report of the FCI was
Has it
called.
come?
Yes, case diary come and along with the report, my lord. So lordship may kindly peruse the report.
Report has come.
Whether, yes, my lord.
But even when the report was sought for whether the right was stolen from the FCI book, my lord, or not, my lord.
Which order?
Oh, my lord, it was only FSL report was called for, my lord. First order.
This is a report from the FCI, my lord.
And another submission is that section 7 is available and one of cheating.
It was recorded in your interim order.
No, we are not on it.
No, but I find that that submission
That
of
was
yours.
recorded.
Just 1 second, Mr. Abdullah.
Report to I think. I said so.
Have you seen the report? What do you want to point out from here?
No, my lord, regarding point 1, my lord, the report has stated, my lord, that point number, my lord, probably point number 3 and 4, my lord. That it is, my lord, the rices, my lord, belongs to FCI or not, that could not be, my lord, ascertained. And secondly, my lord, they have not received any, my lord, any report, my lord, regarding pilferous.
Bail, interim, well, make it absolute. He's already cooperating.
No, my lord, he is not on interim, my lord.
I'm not an interim.
Not
You're
in-
not interim.
But
Not
yes,
in-
I mean, that fully drives no.
No, that is report is reflect, my lord. That is why I have placed the report, my lord.
You make him have a look at the interim. Let him have a look and take it up day after tomorrow.
No, my lord, report it over because my lord, I am not on interim. The report has also come for.
I have not really understood the report.
Would you?
My lord, report, my lord, my lordship passes over the case diary, my lord.
That is why
My allegation is that, my lord, some bags of rice were recovered, my lord, from the, my lord, shop of this accused person, my lord. And he is the owner of the, my lord, that shop, my lord. The report was called for, my lord, whether, my lord,
nature
yes.
of allegation brought against the petitioner. To ascertain that this report was called for.
Yes, my lord. To ascertain whether it is a my lord PDS rice or not, my lord.
All right. Now, does it say it is the
My
PDS
lord,
rice?
that is why, my lord, as part of my lord, last paragraph, my lord,
Hmm.
I am just reading, my lord.
Because if it was the PDS rice, that this is the rice which is meant for the poor beneficiary,
Yes, my lord.
which were transferred and converted to a plastic bag rice for selling in the market. And that is the
My lord.
allegation, correct?
Yes, my lord.
So
That is the allegation, my lord.
perhaps it is not ascertained yet.
Ascertain, yes, my lord, whether it is a my lord PDS rice or not, my
So
lord.
in that
But it
situation,
is-
let him appear. He will cooperate with the investigation.
That I leave it to your lordship, my lord.
No, because I don't think there is any adverse antecedent at this point that has been collected against him. I don't think anything is there
My lord.
which would suggest that he's going to flee from justice.
So, my
So
lord,
if he is ready to cooperate, let him cooperate.
yes, my lord, that let him appear, my lord. Otherwise,
Let
my
him
lord,
appear.
because he have to,
If he does not appear, the bail will get cancelled.
he will have to, my lord,
Condition may be put, my lord.
he will have to show, my lord, the documents, my lord, that these are the, my lord.
Without the document,
So let him prove all the documents before the investigating authority, my lord.
Alright.
Only report is that, my lord, that paragraph, my lord, paragraph 3 is mentioned.
I'll put it. I need to go Sunday.
He reported you. Done.
This is item number 44. Heard Mr. S.M. Abdullah P, learned counsel for the petitioners to have also heard so and so, learned APP Assam. This is an application under section 482 of BNSS 2023, seeking grant of pre-arrest bail to the accused petitioner, i.e. MD Rubul Ali, who is apprehending arrest in connection with Mukalmua PS case number 236 of 2024. Registered under section 3184 of BNSS 2023, read with section 7 of Essential Commodities Act. Stop. The case of the prosecution is that, where is the FIR?
Page 15.
Is that on 30/7/2024, the informant, Inspector Food Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs Nalbari, received information that Deputy Director FFD and CA received information to conduct a search operation at RJ Enterprise, a Godam establishment located at Mukulmua, and accordingly, as per the aforesaid instruction, he along with his colleagues went to Mukulmua and met the circle officer, an executive magistrate, revenue circle, and other police personnel, and thereafter proceeded to the location where, upon search, "13 numbers of jute gunny bags containing rice with machine stitching leveled as within single quote fortified rice, very much similar to the rice supplied by Food Corporation of India under PDS, was recovered and seized thereof."
My lord.
It is the further allegation that alongside the gunny bag rice, there were 213 numbers of plastic bags rice, which was seemed to be refilled from the gunny bags. And accordingly, a case was registered. Stop. Pertinent that this court on 31/8/2024, after hearing the parties, was pleased to call for an FSL, was pleased to call for the case diary along with the FSL report. The case diary and FSL report is placed before this court. Stop.
It's a report from FCI, my lord. Report from FCI, not FSL, my lord.
He like to cut it, huh? Then you say Mr. Abdullah so and so submits that the petitioner is totally innocent and is going to cooperate with the investigation. Stop. He further submits that the rice seized from the Godam of the petitioner is not PDS rice. Stop. Per contra, Mr. So-and-so APP vehemently opposes the bail and submits that the petitioner, that there are sufficient materials in the case diary implicating the petitioner, and as such, and the investigation is at a crucial stage, and hence the petition and hence the prayer for anticipatory bail ought not be granted by this
My
court.
lord.
Stop. Perused, heard, perused, Koldiba. Perusal of the case diary indicates that the FSL report as called earlier by this court has not yet been placed before this court. However, it appears that there is a report of the FCI dated 4/9/2024, which indicates that the
Para
seized-
2 and 3, my lord.
it
Para two.
indicates that the seized rice indicated that it is not possible to determine whether the seized rice is pertaining to FCI or not. Stop. It further appears that as per records of FCI, there is no any incident of pilferage, theft or missing office stock reported in the departments under FCI. Guwahati. What is DO? FCI, DO, Guwahati during the questionable period. Stop. What is DO? Capital DO, you don't know.
No, my lord, I have.
It further appears that the petitioner is a petitioner is ready and willing to cooperate with the investigation. Statements have been recorded.
No, my lord, there is no interim, my lord.
No,
So-
no, not his, but other witnesses.
Other witnesses, yes, my other witnesses,
It
Caesar
further
witnesses
appears-
examined. my
It
lord.
further appears that statement of the witnesses have also been recorded
And Caesar has been made.
by the investigating officer, and Caesar has also been made. In view of the above, it appears that custodial interrogation of the petitioner may not be justified for the ongoing investigation. Accordingly, the prayer for anticipatory bail is allowed.
He may be directed to appear within 7 days, my lord.
Allowed, and it is provided that in the event of arrest, the petitioner named above shall be released on pre-arrest bail in connection with the above noted case on furnishing bail bond of rupees. Bail bond
50,000, my lord.
50,000
50,000.
to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject of course to the following conditions. Number one, appear before investigating officer within 7 days, you said.
Within 7 days.
7 days, and failing which on and from the 8th day, the interim pre-arrest bail order shall have no force. Number two, directly, indirectly inducement. Number three, committing refrain, similar object. Number four, is on appearance, deposit his passport, Aadhaar card and all that. Condition to hit number dispute to Silo Kupa.
Passport if any, my lord. Passport if any. Apply.
Disposed of.
Apply.
And return CD?
CD return, my lord.
Return CD letter.
Make please, Your Honor. My lord, this is 482 of BNSS 2023 application.
CD received.
Yes, my lord.
Interim-
CD received, my lord. There are, my lord, around, my lord, 6 accused petitioner, my lord.
You are on interim.
Yes,
My lord, out of the 6 accused person, my lord, except 1 and 4 other persons appeared, my lord. 1 and 4 have not appeared. So, my lord, I'll send the case back diary, my lord.
An up-to-date.
Up to my lord. His interim order may be concluded.
Up-to-date case diary be produced on the next date of listing. In the meantime, interim order granted earlier shall continue. List again on such and such date. Give a date.
My lord, yes, my lord, my lord, 1912, my lord.
Correct.
46.
Case diary. None
Case-
appears
case
to the
diary received, my
petitioner
lord.
when called.
None appeared.
Retain case diary list next week on a date to be fixed by the registry. NDPS.
My lord. The Caesar matter is greater than the smaller quantity, but less than the commercial quantity, my lord. And the two other queries has already been conducted, my lord. So,
Commercial, it is under 2B, 20B and 2. Yes. FSL report has come.
Yes, my lord, FSA report come, my lord, it positive test for, my lord, cannabis, my lord, ganja.
Ganja.
What
And
is the
accused
quantity?
It's a CK 6.
6 kilo, 6 kilo, 70 gram, my lord.
Less than commercial quantity.
Less than commercial quantity, but greater than the small.
Intermediate quantity, my lord.
Intermediate.
And it
So
is seized from the house
no,
of the
this
accused person, my lord.
37 possibly is not.
No, 37 will not come,
Will
my
not
lord.
come.
Not come, my lord. And there are sufficient materials already collected by the IO, my lord. It is only pending to arrest this accused person, my lord.
Sufficient materials in.
Witnesses have also
making.
implicated him, my lord.
Adverse
Adverse, my lord,
Antecedents?
adverse. It is recovered.
antecedents.
Antecedent, my lord, that is not prior, previous antecedent is not mentioned in the case diary, my lord. But in this case,
Chief of
sufficient
Justice-
materials. My lord, I oppose, my lord, because the NDP.
You oppose, I understand, but you
Well.
see, I am not the convicting court.
My lord, my lord.
I cannot simply
Because, my lord,
put somebody in jail because prima facie a case is made out.
because, my lord,
I
custody
have
interview.
to also see balance. I have to, you don't have to do that, but I
Yes.
will have to do it.
My lord, my humble
That is why
submission
I'm
is,
here.
my humble submission is that, my lord.
Huh?
My humble submission is that, my lord, his custody interrogation is required because, my lord, he is the, my lord, he used
You
to sell,
know,
my lord.
He's
He
got
sell, my
bail.
lord.
There is nothing there. The other factors of bail seems to be in his favor, except the fact that the gravity of the offense.
But-
Correct.
but
There are
the question
materials to
is-
indicate that
Question is that, my lord,
and
there are-
37 also will not come.
37 will not come, my lord. But, my lord, my lord, he along with, my lord, two other accused, that is wife and, my lord, her another person, my lord. They were also arrested. Even, my lord, his wife also arrested, my lord. Wife has implicated him, my lord. Then he was asked not to, my lord, do this business, my lord, continue with this business.
Mm.
But he has not listened, my lord. And this is a, my lord, severe, my lord, threat to the society, my lord. Because, my lord, selling of NDPS, my lord,
Is my lord.
the gravity, lordship will have to look also, my lord, the gravity of the offense, my lord.
I'm saying, but undoubtedly the gravity is
My lord,
it is grave, the offense.
my lord.
But that alone is not a factor to be enough to keep this person to
But, my lord,
under the jail, under the
But, my lord,
custody.
there are sufficient, my lord, incriminating materials, my lord, in the case. There is a prima facie
That's
case, my lord.
correct. But the rest of the factors, what about the rest of the factors?
This is the
If-
factor, my lord,
if-
after releasing on,
if
after.
the sole criteria to judge whether to grant bail or not grant bail is to see if there is only prima facie case available in your CD, then end of the matter. Whenever there are materials, no bail, nobody will get bail. It will be in that manner.
My humble submission, my lord, there are sufficient materials, my lord. And after releasing, my lord, on interim bail also, or, my lord, absolute bail also, my lord, he will again, my lord, start this business, my lord.
So that's why I asked you about the adverse antecedents, but you said there is nothing.
Yes, no, adverse antecedent is there, my lord.
What is there?
Lordship will kindly peruse, my lord. This statement, my lord.
Where is it, his
Yes,
statement?
this is the statement, my lord. It is written in vernacular, my lord.
Read it. Prohibit action.
My lord, I am not reading the entire, my lord. Only, my lord, live streaming is going on, my lord.
All right, we can.
My lord,
live
more
stream to
Samye,
control the power.
more Samye.
1 second, 1 second.
My lord.